Hello and welcome to this session on practice and understanding precautions to be followed while working in fitting jobs. Let us begin with this session.
Let us now take a look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to learn and practice fitting jobs, learn the precautions to be observed in fitting jobs, record the precautions to be followed while working in fitting jobs. Tools required for this exercise are bench vise, files, hacksaw blade with frame, chisel, ball peen hammer, anvil, flatter tool, sledgehammer, tongs, grinding machine, belt drive of a lathe, wire brush, pulley with belt arrangement on a drilling machine, pedestal grinding machine. Let us learn about fitting. Fitting is related to the assembly of parts after bringing the dimensions or shape to the required size or form in order to secure the necessary fit. The operations required for fitting are usually carried out on a workbench. The various operations performed in a fitting shop are marking, chipping, sawing, filing, scraping, drilling, thread cutting, etc. Let us learn the postures and procedures to be followed for practicing fitting jobs. Ensure that the height of the bench vise is around the waist height of the user. Hold the job in the bench vise with a projection of minimum 5 to 10 mm from the top of the vise. Standing position. Left leg in front and right leg back at a distance of about 1 foot between the right and the left legs. Guiding. Right hand on the file handle and left hand on the top of the file face. Handling the file. Never apply pressure during the pull or draw stroke. Prevent pinning or clogging the file teeth with debris or files by rubbing the face of the file with chalk before starting the operation. Pressing too hard on the file also causes pinning. Files should be cleaned on a regular basis by using a card brush. Files should be stored so that their faces cannot rub each other. Select suitable files for the filing work. Let us learn about the precautions to be observed in fitting jobs. Fit the wooden or plastic handle for the files. Hold the job on the vise firmly. Do not use the file without a handle. Check whether the handle of the file is fitted tightly. Avoid storing of tools or any other material on the bench vise. Let us now record the precautions to be followed while working in fitting jobs. Precaution number 1. Keep the shop floor as well as the workbench free from accumulation of dirt, oil and scrap every day. Precaution number 2. Ensure that every moving component of a machine is protected with a guard to avoid any accidents. Precaution number 3. Never use a file or a hacksaw frame without a handle. Precaution number 4. Never employ the side face of a grinding wheel to sharpen a chisel or any other tool. Precaution number 5. Always ensure that the heat-resistant leather gloves are used while handling hot jobs like that of forging, etc. Precaution number 6. Never chip with a blunt chisel or a mushroom head chisel. Precaution number 7. Do not strike on the handle of a bench vise or machine vise to tighten the grip on the workpiece. Precaution number 8. Always keep the machine and its surrounding areas free from metal chips, oil, etc. Precaution number 9. Do not attempt to change the spindle speed of a machine while in running condition. Precaution number 10. Always ensure that a chipping screen is in place while chipping on a metal. To recap, we have learned to learn and practice fitting jobs, learn the precautions to be observed in fitting jobs, record the precautions to be followed while working in fitting jobs.
So that's all about practice and understand precautions to be followed while working in fitting jobs. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.